wonderful panelists here are going to be representing federal agencies and the private sector and also civil society, and they're going to share their perspectives really on what implementation looks like, I think. And in my brief introduction, I just first, before we dive into the questions and let them give a couple minutes of introduction each, is I just want to put a fine point on sort of the equity issue, pointing to the large and persistent wealth gap in the U.S. between Black, Indigenous, and other people of color, or BIPOC, and white Americans. And the gap stems, of course, from centuries of government policies that have systemically disadvantaged BIPOC Americans' ability to build, maintain, and pass along intergenerational wealth. And just some astonishing statistics. For example, Native American households hold just 8 cents of wealth for every dollar that the average white family possesses. For Black families, it's 12 cents for every dollar, and for Hispanic communities, it's around 21 cents per dollar of white wealth. And so, that's just a theme, I think, with all of these dollars on the table and all of this investment happening. Just closing that wealth gap, I think, is a really important aspect of the equity question. And so from the perspective of climate and the energy sector,